convert Word documents to PDF with Raster Image Printer 12. Begin by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Select File, Print. Select the Raster Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to Raster Image Printer. You can then set the name and save location of your new PDF file. Raster Image Printer uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. You can select the profile you want applied to your output PDF file from the Save As type. Raster Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including Adobe PDF and non-searchable PDF, as well as a few profiles to create TIFF images and other image formats. For basic PDF conversion, we recommend using the Adobe PDF profile. Click Save to create your PDF file. From the Raster Image Printer dashboard, you can change the default profile used when printing through Printer Management, or create your own profiles with the Profile Manager. You will need to create a new profile if you are looking to create serialized PDF files, where each page becomes its own PDF file instead of a multi-page PDF file, or turn off prompting for a file name and save location each time you print. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.